know what it is. It's your boy Second Chance back with another video. Okay, look, it's been many months since I filmed the installation of the system, but it's finally that time to do the demonstration. All right, I'm at the back of this parking lot. I feel like people might hear me still and call the police, but we're gonna try to make it. And it's also 90 degrees outside, so you know how that affects the amp. So we're gonna try to make this quick, and I'm gonna have to chop it up so I don't get copyrighted. But okay, let's get it. Forgot to show this. I'm not even sure if you can see it. Sneak this nigga. That shit ain't gonna get you on, it's gonna get you. If you a hater, you know it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Y'all know I'm rapping. Yes, they still look excellent. So I forgot to mention earlier that I had to switch out the inline converter. Well, really, I didn't really have to. It was just a problem with the connection at the back of the, it'll be easier to put a picture in right here. So it was a problem with the connection, which made me think that the inline was bad. Swapped out the inline, it kept doing the same thing. So I knew it wasn't that. So, but it was too late. I had already shipped it back and ordered the other one. That's the only changes I done made so far, but as you can see, it's sounding damn good. All right then.